Hello everyone, myself Shubir. Now today we will discuss some latest books and authors of 2020 and 2019. First, we will read the books and authors of 2020. So, in the one side there is book name and the other side there is author name. First, Karma Yadha Granth is written by Amit Shah. A commentary and digest on the year Act 1981 written by Apurva Kumar Singh. The Bloomsbury Anthology of Great Indian Poems is written by Abhay Kumar. How the Onion Got Its Layer written by Sudha Murthy. Shayaji Rao Gaikwad III, The Maharaja of Baroda is written by Uma Balasubramaniam. Settling to the Top, The Story of P.V. Sindhu is written by V. Krishnaswamy. The Art of Her Heel, The Untold Story of Melania Trump is written by Mary Jordan. Sridevi, The Eternal Screen Goddess is written by Satyarth Nayak. The Death of Jesus written by John Maxwell Coetzee. Legacy of Learning written by Savita Chavra. Missing in Action, The Prisoners Who Never Came Back. Missing in Action, The Prisoners Who Never Came Back is written by Chander Shuta Dogra. Masiya Modi, A Tale of Great Expectations is written by Tavleen Singh. My Encounters in Parliament is written by Bhalchandra Mungekar. Invincible, A Tribute to Manohar Parrikar is written by Tarun Vijay. Balwa is written by Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. Rater Kolkata is written by Hemendra Kumar Roy. A Child of Destiny is written by Ramkrishna Rao. Message from Messengers is written by Preeti K. Shroff. The Crossfire of Love is written by Dhiren Tiwari. Death, an Inside Story is written by Jaggi Vasudev. The Thin Mind Map is written by Dharmendra Rai. The Winning Sixer, Leadership Lessons to Master is written by W.V. Raman. New India Selected Writings 2014 to 19 is written by Arun Jaitley. Human Dignity, A Purpose of Perpetuity is written by Ashwini Kumar. Relentless is written by Yashwant Sinha. An Extraordinary Life, A Biography of Manohar Parrikar is written by Sadhguru Patil and Mayabhushan Nagvenkar. Now we will read some important books and authors of 2019. So first is Politics of Opportunism is written by R.P.N. Singh. Ayodhya, City of Faith, City of Discord is written by P.M. Narendra Modi. Mindmaster, Vishwanath Anand and Sushan Ninan. Hemant Karkare, A Daughter's Memoir is written by Hemant Karkare's daughter Jui Karkare. Function of Data Sovereignty, The Pursuit of Supremacy is written by Vinit Goenka. Defining India Through the Eyes is written by Sonia Singh. Chandrasekhar, The Last Icon of Ideological Politics is written by Sri Harivansh and Sri Ravi Dutt Bajpai. Kundan, Saigal's Life and Music is written by Sharad Dutt. Game Changer is written by Shahid Afridi. Courts of India is written by Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi. Brigital India, Brigital Nation is written by Sri N. Chandrasekharan. Girl Power, Indian Woman Who Broke the Rules is written by Neha J. Hiranandani. From Leeches to Slag Glue, 25 explosive ideas that made and are making modern medicine is written by Rupa Pai. Politics of Jugaad, the Coalition Handbook is written by Sava Nagvi. Undaunted, Saving the Idea of India is written by Ruchir Sharma. The Third Pillar is written by Raghuram Rajan, former RBI chief, RBI governor. From Possession to Freedom is written by R. Uma Maheshwari. Undaunted, Saving the Idea of Nation is written by P. Chidambaram. Virat, The Making of a Champion is written by Neeraj Jha, Vidanshu Kumar. Every Vote Counts, The Story of India's Elections is written by Naveen Chawla. 150 years of celebrating the Mahatma, the South African legacy is written by Fakir Hassan. Khuni Vaishakhi is written by Mr. Suri. Law, Justice and Judicial Power, Justice P. N. Bhagwati's Approach is written by Moolchand Sharma. The New Delhi Conspiracy is written by Meenakshi Lekhi. Saffron Shorts is written by Manushi Sinha Rawal. We Are Displaced is written by Malala Yousafzai. Quality, Accreditation and Ranking, A Silent Revolution in the Offing in Indian Higher Education is written by M. Venkaiah Naidu. Turbulence and Triumph, The Modi Years is written by Rahul Agarwal and Bharati S. Pradhan. Handbook on Fisheries Statistics 2018 is written by Ministry of Fisheries. Savarkar, Echoes from a Forgotten Past 1883 to 1924 is written by Vikram Sampath. Glorious Diaspora, Pride of India is written by Indian Diaspora Club. Fire and Fury Corps, Saga of Valor, Fortitude and Sacrifice is written by Lieutenant General Ranbir Singh. Darkness to Light is written by Lamar Odom. The Heartfulness Way, Heart-Based Meditations for Spiritual Transformation is written by Kamlesh Patil and Joshua Pollock. Designing Destiny, The Heartfulness Way is written by Kamlesh Patil alias Daji. Conquered Brilliance, The Many Lives of V.K. Krishnan Menon is written by Jairam Ramesh. First, They Erased Our Name, A Rohingya Speaks is written by Habibur Rahman Sophie Ansel. Obama, The Call of History is written by Peter Baker. Kashmir's Untold Story, Declassifications is written by Iqbal Chand Malhotra and Maruf Raza. Sridevi, Girl, Woman, Superstar is written by Satyartha Nayak. Manav, Department of Biotechnology and Persistent Systems. A Prime Minister to Remember, Memoirs of a Military Chief is written by Sushil Kumar. The Commonwealth at 70, From Westminster to the World. is written by St. James House and the History of Parliament Trust. Indian Fiscal Federalism is written by Dr. Y.V. Reddy. Lessons Life Taught Me Unknowingly is written by Anupam Kher. Vivekadipani Vivekadipani is written by Adi Shankaracharya. Whispers of Time, Dr. Krishna Saxena. Listening, Learning and Leading is written by Venkaiah Naidu. My Life, My Lesson is written by Baba Ramdev. Cricket World Cup, The Indian Challenge is written by Ashish Ray. My Journey is written by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Making of New India is written by Vivek Devroy. The Diary of Manu Gandhi is written by Trideep Shorod. Thank you. That's all. Please like and subscribe my channel.